Hey everybody, this is Pleasure from Salesource, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make content for your brand as a beginner completely free of charge. This is for anybody who's just started a brand or you already have a brand and you want to make epic, engaging content for it. Make sure you stay until the end of this video to get the most out of it. So I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, so we're here on Canva. So the next thing I'm going to show you how to do is a GIF. So you can do this on anything that you want. I'm going to choose the Instagram post. I think it's the easiest, and just create a new post, a blank template. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I need a product. So I'm going to go on to what's trending on Salesource. Okay, so this is pretty much perfect. That's so cute. So I'm going to take this image right here and then upload it onto my uploads on Canva. How funny is this? Okay, so imagine this is my product. You can also look at templates in case there's anything here. But what I'm going to do is I want to have a pink background. So I'm just going to type in pink. Remove this background. Right, you can't have the background on this. I want it against the, yes, perfect. Keep it as this, and we can also adjust the image. For example, we can make it a little brighter. Add a little more contrast. We can make those pinks a little brighter. Yeah, all right. So stick them right there in the middle. And we're gonna add about, let's say 10 pages. And on the second page, we'll just offset it slightly. Next page. You can offset it slightly more. This page is coming back. The next one I'm gonna copy. Again, offset it maybe the other direction. What I would also like to do is perhaps add some audio here. So what I'm going to do instead is upload my own audio. So go to uploads, audio, upload media, go to my downloads, upload this dog sound. So now when I play this, and if I go into elements, I can pop in sound on. You can just download that, and you can download it as an MP4. And you can download it as a GIF. That is all from me. Thank you so much for watching this. If you found it useful, please hit like so I know to make more of these videos. And if you used it, I would love to see what you made with Canva in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to see me here next time. See you.